If you're running Shopify and NetSuite at the same time, someone on your team is doing data entry a system should be doing. Orders keyed in by hand. Inventory drifting between systems. Customers in one that don't exist in the other. Let me show you how to connect Shopify directly into NetSuite, natively, no middleware, and what stops breaking the moment you do. NetSuite is your system of record. Shopify is where orders come in, but out of the box, they don't know each other exists. So you're stuck with one of two options. Either someone copies orders by hand, which becomes a full-time job, or you bolt a middleware, a third platform to pay for, manage, and debug. Middleware doesn't fix the problem, it just moves it. Now you're maintaining 3 systems instead of 2. The alternative is a direct connection that lives inside NetSuite itself. No external platform, no separate login, configured and monitored where your team already works. This is the in8sync DirectConnect dashboard. It's a suite app, so it installs right into your NetSuite account. Here's the Shopify connection. Active, with the last runtime at a glance. There are many flows including orders, inventory, customers, and shipments. Each runs on its own schedule. Orders flow from Shopify to NetSuite automatically. Customer record, line items, shipping address, and payment status already populated. Nobody typed anything. Inventory flows the other way. NetSuite out to Shopify. When a sale processes, stock updates on your storefront automatically. NetSuite stays the source of truth, so you never oversell. Customers sync both directions. Created in Shopify, they appear in NetSuite. Updated in NetSuite, they push back. No duplicates, no cleanup. And when an order ships, tracking flows back to Shopify automatically. Accurate confirmations pulled straight from NetSuite fulfillment. Day to day, your team stops doing data entry. Orders are in NetSuite before anyone opens their email. Inventory's accurate, customer records aren't duplicated, and your reporting finally ties out. Because NetSuite has the complete picture. No reconciling spreadsheets at month end. And since it all lives inside NetSuite, anyone on your team can monitor it. No middleware expert required. If you want to see this on your exact Shopify and NetSuite setup, the link to book a demo is in the description. We'll walk through what's syncing, what isn't, and what fully connected looks like. If this was useful, subscribe. New integration every month.